Today, we're diving into the exciting world of AI art and exploring powerful tool, Enhancer Concept LoRAs. These tools can dramatically improve the quality and aesthetic of your AI-generated images. First, let's talk about Concept Slider LoRAs. These are a new and innovative type of LoRa that allows for precise and interpretable control over specific attributes in your image. Think of them like sliders on a mixing board, where you can adjust things like the weather, age, style, or even the expression of a character in your image. This level of control is truly groundbreaking and opens up a whole new world of possibilities for creative image manipulation. Now, let's move on to Enhancer LoRAs. These LoRAs focus on enhancing the overall quality and aesthetic of your image. Let's explore some specific Enhancer LoRAs. Clarity Enhancer. This LoRa improves the overall sharpness and definition of the image. Notice how the details become more crisp and clear when the LoRa is applied. Detail Enhancer. This LoRa focuses on bringing out finer details in the image. See how the texture and depth of the scene are enhanced with the LoRa. Saturation Enhancer. This LoRa boosts the intensity of colors, making the image appear more vibrant and lively. Compare the duller colors in the original image to the richer tones with the LoRa. Vibrance Enhancer. Similar to saturation, this LoRa enhances colors, but in a more subtle way. Observe how the LoRa adds vibrancy while preserving the natural tones in the image. Lighting Enhancer. This LoRa adjusts the lighting in the image, creating a more dramatic or realistic effect. See how the LoRa can add depth and atmosphere to the scene by modifying the lighting. Eye-catching Enhancer. This LoRa applies a combination of enhancements to make the image pop. Notice how the LoRa draws your attention to the subject and creates a more impactful visual. And to use some of these LoRa, you may also need to use their respective trigger words in the prompt, which you can find on the respective Civit AI page. To find the full LoRa collection, simply click the provided link in the description. It leads directly to the full collection of LoRAs. Experiment with these types of LoRAs, find your favorites, and unleash your creative potential. Let me know in the comments below which LoRAs you're most excited to try out. And if you have any questions about LoRAs or AI art in general, feel free to ask.